Teto. Get on, get the monkey. Get the monkey. Get on, Teto. Get the monkey. Ah! Get the monkey. Get the monkey. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, monkey. Get him. Get him. Oh, the monkey. Ah! You got him. You got him. You got him. Get the butt. Yeah, get the butt. Oh, yeah. Oh, flip. Oh, yeah. Get him. Get him, Teto. Yes. Get him. Get him, Teto. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Body slam. Oh, it's your boy. Yes. Get him. Wow. You're in the squirrel wrestling league. Oh my gosh. Get him. Oh. Get the tail. Come, get the butt. You got the tail. Oh, get the leg. Yeah, get the leg. Get the leg. Get him. Yeah. Oh, it's all. Flip him. Yeah. Wow. Oh. You are a hoot. God, I love you. You are so magical. Get him. Get him, Teto. Get him. Get the tail. Get that monkey. This monkey does not even have one hole. I'm so surprised. He has not ripped it to shreds. What are you smelling? What? Oh, sorry. Oh, your hand. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah? What? Yeah? Oh, God. What? Yeah, get him. Get the monkey butt. Get the monkey butt. Oh. Climbing. I have no idea what I'm saying. It's something that just comes out when I play with him. All my animals have their own distinct sound or word or nickname I call them, and I don't know where it comes from. Grooming break, and we're back. Monkey. Got the monkey. Oh, yeah. Teto. Hi, Teto. Hello, my love. You are such an angel. Oh, I love you Oh, now we're having a love moment. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you, my baby. I love you too. Oh, my goodness, Mama. Love that does. My little handsome. Yes, you are, Mama's little